Hi, my name is Carlos Sila, and I'm an SI Math tutor for the Office of Student Success. And today I'm going to be talking about the change of base formula, what it is and how do we use it. So the change of base formula is here given. It is the log of b to the m is equal to the log of a to the m divided by the log of a to the b. Now it's a bunch of letters, but what's required of this is that both a and b must be positive numbers. And what this is for is so that we can change our problem so that we could use it into our calculator. Because our calculator cannot do logs that do not have a base 10. Here's an example. We have the log of 4 to x. Now our calculator cannot work with this 4 here. So using this formula, it allows us to change it to a 10. So let's do an example, see what I mean. So for our problem, we are given the log of 5 to the 8. So using our formula, we would write the log of 8 divided by the log of 5. So what basically happened is that this 8 comes from here, this 5 comes from here. Now the purpose that we use this formula is so that we could change our bases to 10. So now we would just enter it into our calculator. Now this calculator is a little different, but the idea is still the same. You would still want to push the log on your calculator. And here it shows us a 10, but on yours it's not going to show you the 10. But that's all your calculator can do, so it's the same button, even though it looks a little different. So we would enter our problem into our calculator. The log 8 divided by the log of 5. So we have the log of 8, close parentheses, and then we would divide by the log of 5. And we would push enter. So you can see our answer is 1.292. So we would just cut, it's a long decimal, but it is our answer. So we would just write that on our paper. 1.292. And that is it. We changed the bases from a 5 to a 10, and we entered it into our calculator. Now let's try another example. We are given the log of 3 to the 14. So using the formula, we would write the log of 14 divided by the log of 3. And once again, we use this change of base formula so that we could change our bases to a 10. So we add that right there. And now we put it into our calculator to get our answer. So we would clear our calculator because we don't want to work with this number no more. And now we're going to enter the log of 14, close parentheses, and divide by the log of 3, close parentheses, and we push enter. As you can see, our answer is 2.402, so we would just copy that over here, 2.402, and that is it. So what we learned today is how to use the change of base formula, why we need to use it, so that we could put it into our calculator, because it's a lot easier that way. Less work for us. And that's pretty much it. Thank you. This video is sponsored by the Office of Student Success, and my name is Carlos Sila.